Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can navigate WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, currently I'm on my dashboard, but the way that you get here is, let me just go back to the WordPress main page. This is your sites page where you're going to be when you log into WordPress. You have your sites, your domains, your themes, and your plugins. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can navigate through the dashboard. So let's just click on my site. And here to enter the dashboard, you just need to click on WP admin, and that's going to take you here. Now from here, you have a bunch of different settings. You have the dashboard where you can overview all your site information. You can go into hosting, and here you can do multiple different things. If you go here, you can modify your domains. We'll fill out this setup form. You just need to follow the steps and you'll fill that up yourself. You can go into add-ons and install any add-ons you might have for your site. As you can see, you do need to purchase each of them, so keep that in mind. You can go into domains and purchase a domain if you don't already have one. You can modify your domains, your DNS settings from here, and all of that good stuff. You also have your emails, which you can set up. However, you do need to upgrade to a premium plan, and so on and so forth. You also have an overview of all your purchases, your marketing, and your site settings, where you can set up your privacy and everything else, such as the admin interface style, and as well as access some site tools such as deleting your site, resetting your site, transferring and changing your address. You also have Jetpack, which is, I think, a plugin which you can use for several different things, such as setting up ads and other integrations such as the Google Search Console, as well as the Google AdSense system. And after that, you have also a couple of different things. You have the posts where you can set up your blog posts, the media where you can upload files and add them to your site later. You have the pages, which you can set up. You can add new pages or modify existing ones. You have comments, which I haven't played around with. However, I'm pretty sure that's for developers to make comments on already existing things. You also have feedback, which are forms which your clients, customers, visitors fill out so that they can give you feedback on your site. You also have appearance, where you can change your themes, you can edit your pages, you can customize other different things. You have your plugins, which you can also install. You can go to the marketplace to install plugins. However, you do need to have at least a business level account to be able to install them. You also have users, where you can modify your users, add other people to modify your site as contributors, etc. You also have your tools, where you'll find your import and export functionalities to import or export info from your site, and you have your general settings, which you can set up, as well as the permalinks, which are important to set up the links to your pages. And that is pretty much all there is to it. You just need to go ahead and click on whatever you want. So for example, if I go to the editor, it'll show me a page which I can then go ahead and edit, which you'll see right now. As you can see, I can edit the navigation, the styles, the pages, the templates, the patterns, and if you click on this, it'll just open up the editor for you to edit your pages. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.